Hi, this is Linda with another recipe from the duchesskitchen.com, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make Biscoff mug cake, and it takes just 2 minutes. So to start off, we need a mug that can at least hold 250 ml of liquid, and I'm going to first melt the Biscoff spread and butter, and if it's hot you let it cool down first, then you add the remaining ingredients, which is the milk, sugar, flour, baking powder, and you whisk everything together until smooth. Hi there, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you like, subscribe, and share my videos. So this is what we have right here. I'm going to microwave this for 60 seconds, then 30 seconds. When you insert toothpick and it comes out clean, then your cake is ready. So there we have it, smooth, fluffy cake. And if you don't have microwave, you can use ramekin cans to bake in the oven, and that will take about 15 to 20 minutes when using ramekin cans. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you, and see you in the next video.